Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you all the brand new Fabric connectivity and browse experience within the MS SQL extension for VS Code. So as you can see, I have my extension up and running here in VS Code. And so the first step for me is to locate the Object Explorer to the top left of my screen here. As you can see, because I have no connections made right now, I can either select the Add Connection option here, or if I have an already established connection, I can select the plus button above to add a connection. So I'm going to start off by selecting Add Connection here, which will then open up my connection dialog here in the extension. So as you can see, there are three input types available for us to make connections within the extension. You have your parameters input type, you have Browse Azure, and then you have the new Fabric experience for Browse Fabric. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the Browse Fabric option, which will then open up this browse experience for me here below. If it's your first time signing in on the extension, you'll be prompted to sign in here using your Microsoft Entra ID. From there on, it will always remember your account information. So anytime you want to make any future connections, as it did for me, it will remember your account here. If you have multiple accounts, you can switch between the accounts here. And you also have the ability to switch between your tenants. Changing up the tenant might change up the workspaces that are shown below. So as you can see, I see all my workspaces here. I can scroll around to find the workspace that I'm looking for, or I can simply just search for my workspace title. And so once I find the workspace that I'm looking for, I just simply select that workspace and it will load in all of the resources that are available to me. From here, I just simply select the SQL database that I want to make a connection with. Once I do that, I can go back to the top and change the profile name, which will change the title for this connection in my Object Explorer. Once I've done that, I just navigate to the bottom of this dialog where I will be asked to authenticate. If everything here is correct, then I can simply just select connect on the bottom and that will make my connection. From there, my connection should appear at the Object Explorer on the top left corner of my screen. So you can see that the connection was successful. And from here, I can edit my connection, I can remove my connection, and so on. That's our quick demo of the Fabric connectivity experience in the extension. Please give us your feedback and try out our new feature. Thank you.